Looking for the easiest, most delicious peanut brittle? Watch today's video and I'll share my recipe. Today I am going to show you how to make peanut brittle in the microwave. This recipe originated back in 1980 from the instruction manual of our family's very first microwave. So that book is long gone. I typed up, as I don't even know how old I was, maybe 9 or 10, when I typed up the recipe because I loved it so much. And over the years, I have probably made thousands of batches of microwave peanut brittle. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own batch. The ingredients you're going to need is a cup of raw Spanish peanuts. These are usually in the produce section, and a tip, if you have some left over from your holiday baking, you can freeze them for the next year. So put those in the freezer. We'll need 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. You'll need 1/2 cup of white corn syrup. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of sugar. On your cookie sheet, you're going to need to grease it with spray cooking spray or vegetable shortening, and you'll need a microwave safe Pyrex glass. Measuring cup is recommended because it does get very hot, and you'll need a wooden spoon. Don't do plastic, and the metal radiates heat pretty bad, so get a wooden spoon. While it is in the microwave is when I prep my pan. So make sure you have your base greased. I get my 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda ready, and get ready to have something to rest your spoon on, because at 3.5 minutes we're going to stir it. So you need to have a hot pad and a piece of aluminum foil or a spoon holder ready. We only have a few seconds left here for the first 3.5 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like at this point. So that's what it looks like at this point. So now take your wooden spoon and just stir it, getting it mixed together. Okay, wipe off the edge of your spoon there, and put it back in for another 3.5 minutes. Okay, that is what it looks like when it comes out the second time. So now give it a nice good stir. And it's hot, make sure you have a hot pad. And now you take your 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and try not to dump it in all at once. I mean, you dump it in, but you don't want to make a big clump. So just kind of sprinkle it around the top and stir. This is very timely. Once you put that in, you can see that it starts getting the foamy look. So you have only a couple minutes at this point to get it onto your tray. It looks like I got it pretty good. And really kind of no hope to spread it smooth at this point. I just clump it around in different clumps. It is a bona fide mess on your Pyrex right now. So when you're done here, have a sink full of water and just let this sit, and it'll all dissolve off. Since I'm not exaggerating when I say we have done thousands of batches, I have a second Pyrex already ready to go in the microwave. So that one's going to start cooking while this one soaks. So it makes a really good way to make fast batches. So there's what it looks like, just clumped around. You can try to spread it out a little bit if you have some thick spots, but generally I just let it sit. And it'll take a few minutes for it to cool, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's broken apart. Okay, as you can see, the color has changed a little bit. This is still warm, and you will know, see it's still rubbery. This is not quite ready to break apart yet. Okay, let's test it now. Oh yeah, it feels a lot better. So now you just break it off into the pieces, and voila, you have your, oh, still a little warm in the middle there. There you go. The only thing I want to caution you on, you can tell when you have cooked it too long or at too high of a temperature. You can smell the burnt peanuts, and it's not a taste that is very attractive in peanut brittle. So that's the only thing I want to caution you on. If you have any questions while you're making your peanut brittle, comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But enjoy your microwave peanut brittle.